Hey guys, this is my dog Leno, Mr. Lennox. This is my dog Squishy. I'm gonna have him do some tricks. Sorry, doggos. So what you need to do is grab some treats, like some dog food, and then you need to hold it out, and then you tuck it back, you drop it on the floor, close your legs, and then have your dog have a high five. High five. Good boy. Come here, Zissy. That's my dog Zissy. High five, honey. Why you look at my hand? Good girl. You were a good girl. And then, after they do the trick, give them their treat. My name is Emerald Snowflake Dream for my YouTube channel. And for if you wanted to search up and watch my videos, then you need to search up Emerald Snowflake Dream Adventures. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you.